Choco is clicking the red ribbon tight, ready to open the surprise tonight.
Pop, pop, gift box, surprise in the air.
Look at the rainbow, Teddy's right there.
Cherry red plush in the mechanical row. The magic toy present is ready to go. The toys are rising so fast and so neat, ready to share for a wonderful treat. A cheeky little monkey has stolen the part. He hid with the star key right from the start. Pop, pop, gift box, surprise in the air. BooBoo, the puppy runs fast for a bound, jumping up high, right off the ground. Snap goes the puppy's mouth, pulling it slack, bringing the golden key down to the track. The monkey falls down to the soft cushioned bed, with big fluffy pillows right under his head. The gate is all open, see the Teddy party run.
Matching the colors is always such fun.
Choco shares a bear for the monkey to keep. Sharing with our buddies makes us happy and deep. Now all the gift boxes are packed in the shed. Time for the buddies to go to their bed. The cozy toy cabinet is quiet and deep. Good night, little teddy bears, time for a sleep.